You know me and pronunciation. Alan. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing another IPSY unboxing. And this time it's for February. February's IPSY bag. Don't have much to say except just to, you know, let's get into it. Let's see what goodies we got this month. Almost said this year. This month. First, I'm going to show you my drink of the day. Again, it is not a mug this time. It is a Dunkin' Refresher, which I used to get all the time, but I wanted this in today's video because of the pink, you know, the whole pink thing with IPSY. So I've got myself a strawberry dragon fruit Dunkin' Refresher with 12 Splenda. That's the most Splenda they let you put in it. And if you've had one of these without sweetener, you're missing out. Okay, let's move on. I know these aren't the same pinks. I think this is closer to my clip pink, but you know, I like to be pink in these videos because I'm never pink. I never wear much pink, so this is an excuse. All right, so let's just open it up. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna rip all of my nails off doing this. Okay, the bag. Anything outside the bag? Yes, there's one thing outside the bag. We're not gonna look. Okay, here is February's bag. Oh, how cute. See, now is that pink or red? I think it's red. Wow, it really goes with my shirt today, does it not? It's really cute, and of course it's for Valentine's Day with all the hearts and it being February, so they did a good job. Oh, and even the little zipper thing. Even the little zipper thingy is a heart. How cute is that? Okay, we're just going to open it up. Maybe this time they gave me a thing that tells me what's in it. No, of course not. Why did they stop doing that? Am I the only one that they stopped doing that to? That's so annoying. Anyways, as of the last two I think that I've done, I will put the information of the stuff up here, since I can't tell it to you right now. So I'm gonna start with the thing that was not in the bag. It looks like a makeup brush. First of all, can I just say that this packaging of this makeup brush is like super high quality. It's kind of like that really soft matte material. But anyways, this is it. It's so smooth. From the brand Complex Culture. Easy Crease Definer Brush. Cool. Right, let's look at it up close and personal. Ooh. Okay, here's what it looks like. That's the brush. Super pretty and also nice and soft, but also firm for that good crease defining moment that they're talking about. The handle, I love. It's this gray and gold. I love gray and I love gold, so this is really nice. And it has that really smooth matte texture on handle too. This is cool. Ooh, I like it. Okay, moving on. Just reach in the bag blindly like we like to do. What is this? Ooh, it is an eyeliner from Koki, I think is the brand name. Koki Professional Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner. Ooh. Play 2-in-1, waterproof, smudge-proof, long-lasting up to 12 hours, matte black. Let's look at it. Here is what it looks like. It's got dual ends, so let's see what those look like, shall we? Okay, so this is like a eyeliner pencil, retractable. This is what I would imagine the gel side is. I don't know, honestly. That's what it looks like. A nice small applicator. It's like a skinny pointy one. That's good. And the other side is like liquid liner. That's pretty cool. Now I need to see in what case you would potentially use both in one look. I don't know, and maybe that's not the goal, but that's pretty cool. I've been loving my liquid eyeliner lately, so to have another brand to try, I am excited about. Next, I feel bubble wrap. We're saving that for the end. You know me. Okay, what is this? YC Collection? Luminous Setting Powder in the color Honey. Ooh, let's see what this looks like. I don't think I have setting powder. I mean, I don't use liquid foundation or anything, so I don't really need setting powder, I don't think. But actually, I think you might use setting powder for like your what's it called? Concealer under your eyes, maybe. But this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure that's YC Collection. I don't know. Let's open it. Okay, so yeah, just your basic setting powder kind of application there. Cool. I'll have to see if it matches my skin tone, but you'll see. That's cool. Haven't had setting powder in a bag before, so this is a first. Next. Okay, What is this? Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Ooh, cool. That's what this looks like. Sorry if I butcher whatever that micellar thing is. You know me and pronunciation, Alan. Ooh, it actually smells nice. Honestly, did not expect it to smell nice. Not gonna lie, expected it to smell like cleaner, but it smells nice. Cool. There's not like much in here, maybe a couple uses, if that, but we will give it a go. Okay, last but hopefully not least, bubble wrap. The heck? This is a different package than I'm used to ever seeing. Peak. Cool. I Will Stay Naturally Long Wearing Eyeshadow. And the color, I think this is the color name, Wednesday. I think that's the color name. It's a cute little packaging, obviously just for like a sample packet, but that's cute. See, and there's the back of it. I'm pretty sure that's the color name, Wednesday. I don't know. R. I see how you have to open it. Gotta cut the tape. Yeah, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell here. See? Slide. Wow. Is that purple or is that purple? Woo! Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, let's color swatch it, shall we? Well, that's interesting. It smells like eucalyptus or something. One of those plants. Please don't judge me if I said that wrong, if that's not the right thing. But it smells like one of those plants outside, but like in a good way. Or like mint? Maybe like a mint leaf? I don't know. That's pretty cool. Ooh, here is the swatch. That's a really pretty color, and it's almost dual toned. Like it looks kind of like the pinkish purple with it. And you know what? So I just butchered this thing. Oh, I got it all over my nail. Oh, what did I do? Ah, I seriously cannot have nice things. That ticks me off more than it should. It's fine. Anyways, I have hazel eyes. I'll show you. They're hazel. And I was looking up stuff that's, you know, like what's the good color to have on your eyelids if you have hazel eyes. And a lot of what I saw to make them pop is purple because it's at the opposite end of the color wheel for the green in your hazel eyes. So I read a lot that purple was a good color to have on your eyelids. Am I wearing purple today? No, but that's cool that I got purple because I want to be wearing more purple because I heard it will make my eyes pop. And I think my eyes are a little bit of a boring color, so if I can do anything to make them pop, I'm gonna do it. All right, so we've got our brush, our destroyed eyeshadow, setting powder, makeup remover and cleanser, and our dual-ended eyeliner. Obviously, I am most excited about the eyeshadow, but I also love this brush and the eyeliner. Those would be my favorite things overall of this one. Cool, I am happy about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you get an IPSY bag, definitely let me know down in the comments what kind of stuff you got this time. I am super duper curious. I know we get stuff, we get different stuff, so let me know what you got. Let me know. And what was your favorite thing that was in my bag? Was it the eyeshadow too? Are we the same? Are we sisters? Are we twins? Let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please be sure to give it a like because that really helps support my channel and shows me what kind of stuff you like to see. Thank you again so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.